Hey, this is Angie from Finnt. I'm super excited to show you what we've been building for the past few months. We designed our platform exclusively for accountants, controllers, and people working at large organization corporate finance teams who are complaining to spend so much time in spreadsheets, usually having to manage export from ERP, CSV from different systems, and obviously have to do a lot of the work themselves. The other solution for them is to outsource to costly and sometimes not very accurate business process outsourcing. So let's take a look of how our AI agents can do this work automatically. So here I'm taking a simple files that are AR aging report. So this procedure will take usually a few hours at minimum at large organization. So we're going to see that as soon as the agent receives those files, it's going to open a private and secure connection to execute the procedure inside Excel. It's going to use the company own template and apply the specific policies, exceptions, and rules that the company wants to see. Here, the agent is basically applying the bucket analysis per customer. So grouping all the AR aging for different customer. And we can see that this is done fully automatically. All the formulas and all the operation are being applied, and even the calculation of the aging has been done fully automatically. But let's take a look at the actual file that I receive as a customer. So here the agent has closed the Excel and I've sent back the file after just a few seconds of processing. So here I'm downloading and opening the spreadsheet that I've received. I can see that it's really well structured using the template that I want, that is going to be compatible with my ERP. So it's a journal template that I know and that I can reuse. More importantly, every single cell that have value are audit ready because they carry the formulas. They are not just random values being outputted by an agent. They are actually being following the exact template that the company would have used. And we can see that on the different tab, I have those same bucket analysis per customer, but also by different entities that might have. And of course, I have some sum, some checks, and validation. Here, I could see that even that top 10 customer account receivable totals have been also composed. So this is how we work from the agent perspective. But then how do we capture all this work? So this is where we use the Finnt platform, right? So we will ask you to create what we call a SOP. So an SOP is basically all the information that the agent needs to perform the work. So it starts with a name, a frequency, and a date of execution. This is very generic in accounting and controllership departments. What is great if we can get a recording of the screen. So how do you do it so that our agent can basically copy the exact work that you do on a monthly basis? What will help the agent is to build context also from documentation, potential exception list that you might have, potential policies, but also the templates that you use. And also the best of the best is to have historic data on both what you use as an input, so the raw data that you get from your ERP, from your bank, from your billing system, and also the output. What is, for example, the journal that you want to produce? With all of that, the agent is going to ask a series of questions that will help to understand exactly how it is supposed to perform the work and to perform the procedure. Again, with all that information, the SOP is ready and can be reviewed and finally launched in production. So we can look at the runs for every single procedures, for every single workflow that is being executed. I can go to my platform and see when the agent had made this run and also watch a replay. So that replay is a simplified version of what happened in the spreadsheet so that I can see exactly what the agents have been doing. And I can also go into a more detailed view to see when and who did trigger that procedure. So I hope you like it. It's a very specific topic, obviously, for many of the corporate controllers, for the accountants, for the CFOs team. This is hours saved every month and every week. So we hope you like it and feel free to come talk to us.